Hey, future homeowners, I'm Adam Black, your local mortgage pro with 2 decades of experience, and I'm thrilled to have you here. If you're a first-time visitor to the channel, welcome. I'm glad you stopped by. If you've been here before, thanks for your ongoing support. And hey, whether you're a seasoned viewer or brand new, we've added a link in the description for our home buyer planning kit. It's a comprehensive guide that includes budgeting tips, a wants and needs list, and much more. So this video is part of an ongoing series called the Home Buyer Roadmap, and we've created a playlist for it at our channel. So after this, feel free to dive into the entire series to ensure you're fully equipped for your home buying journey. Now let's get into today's topic, navigating the underwriting process on your journey to home ownership. But before we do, please subscribe, comment, like, and click that notification bell. This way you'll be the first to know when we drop more valuable home buying insight. So you're under contract for your dream home. Now let's talk about what happens during the underwriting process. Your realtor, they'll get us a copy of your purchase contract and it'll be signed by all parties and we'll begin our work. After reviewing the contract, we'll reach out to you, set the expectations, and begin the process. Now, some of your dated documents may need updating. Be ready to refresh some of those. Underwriting process will likely require documents such as pay stubs and bank statements to be dated within 30 days of the closing, so stay organized. Now at this point, it's home inspection time. You'll want to get a home inspection for your new home. It's like a health checkup to ensure there are no hidden issues. Your realtor will help you line this up, and they've likely got a list of vetted professionals from your area for you to choose from. Next up, my team has some important steps to ensure everything stays on track. Step 1 is your appraisal. We'll order an appraisal to make sure the home's value aligns with your loan amount. This protects you and us, and it ensures you're not overpaying and we're lending on a sufficient collateral. Now, one thing to note here, while the lender orders the appraisal, we can't designate who the appraiser is. Our order goes into a vetted pool of professionals where the appraisers are drawn at random. Again, this is protect you and us. Second thing we will do is order title work from a title company or a title attorney, depending on what state you're in. They'll perform a title search to ensure there are no surprises or issues with the property's title. This step ensures you're buying a home with a clean legal history. They'll also help us in preparing your closing documents and actually perform the closing later on. It's also time for you to shop for your homeowners insurance. Find a provider and coverage that suits your needs. Your lender will need this info for the final stages of the process. Now, this is a step I feel gets overlooked or discounted sometimes. Sure, you can go online and in a matter of minutes get quotes with sufficient coverage, but hear me out here. You've spent weeks, maybe months, working with a local realtor and hopefully a local lender, which is hopefully me. Don't you think you should do the same for your insurance? Personally, if something happens to my home, my largest investment, I want to know my agent. In fact, I want to know how to reach out to them without going through a call center. So give this part of the puzzle some serious thought. Now, let's talk about the unsung hero of the process, the underwriter. They're part of our team, and these professionals understand the program guidelines. They know how to assemble a clean file for the investor, and they assemble all the pieces together to make sure everyone's taken care of. Your underwriter, they will meticulously review all the documents you've provided. This includes your financial records, your employment history, and any additional information needed for a thorough analysis. Now, be prepared for questions or requests for more information. Underwriter's goal is to ensure you have the ability to repay the loan and that the home meets all the requirements as sufficient collateral. While your mortgage originator, they made every effort to gather everything they believe will be needed, there will be times when an underwriter asks for supporting documents or more info. Don't take that personal, it's their job. Now this is normally a 2-step process. Your file will be submitted to underwriting, and in a reasonable time, the underwriter will come back and ask for any additional needs. Those will be gathered and resubmitted for final approval. Now once the underwriter is satisfied, you'll receive a loan approval, or what we call a clear to close, which is the sweetest 3 words in my business. And guess what? You are almost there. So with all the pieces falling into place, the closing time is now confirmed and all parties prepare to meet for the closing, which is also the last step in our Home Buyer Roadmap series, which you can find in a playlist at our channel home. Now, I want to make sure you know you are not alone in this journey. If you have any questions, concerns, or need guidance through these final steps, do not hesitate to reach out. You can call or you can message me directly using the email address and the phone number displayed on the screen. I'm here to ensure your path to home ownership is as smooth as possible. And remember, this underwriting process is a crucial part of ensuring a smooth and successful home purchase. So if you found this information helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more Home Buyer Roadmap information. And feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. Please remember to check the link in the description for our comprehensive home buyer planning kit. And until next time, happy home buying.